In this video, I'm going to show you how to install GulpJS version 4 and create your first Gulp task to start using it. I assume you have installed Node.js and NPM on your machine because we will need them to install and run GulpJS. Suppose you want to check Node.js and NPM installation. You can run which node and which NPM from your terminal like this, and the terminal will tell you the path to the node and NPM executables if installed. So we have this project which I have created for the demonstration and it is available on GitHub. You can make a local copy of this project using git clone or simply downloading it as a zip file. It has a bunch of files in it. We are primarily going to concern with this folder called source. It has this HTML page that you can see and some JavaScript and CSS files. When you open that HTML file, you are going to see something like this. We want to go ahead and make some automation for this project. So first pull up the terminal and move over to where your project root directory is. If you haven't set up your npm project, run npm init-yes and this utility will create the default package.json file for your project. And this package.json file will allow you to save all of your project's modules and properties. Now we are going to install GulpJS. If you have installed an earlier version of Gulp, you will need to remove it by running npm uninstall-global gulp. GulpJS version 4 comes in two parts, a command line interface called gulp CLI which you want to install globally by running npm install-global gulp-cli. There is also a local version of GulpJS that we will install in our project. Run npm install-save-dev gulp to install it into your project development dependencies. Now what we are going to do is create a file called gulpfile.js in the same directory as your project, and Gulp will load this file automatically when you run the gulp command in the terminal. Then we will import the gulp module at the top of gulpfile.js. Gulp.js will allow you to use regular JavaScript to manage your tasks. To create your first task, all you need to do is create a normal JavaScript function and export it. Here we will create a JavaScript function called log to print a string into the terminal. To make this available as a gulp task, export the function that you have created. To run the task, pull up the terminal and run gulp log. You can also export this function as the default export. In this case, you can run the gulp command without any argument and Gulp will execute this function as the default task.